Friends, welcome to Coding Spider. Today in this video I will show you how you can able to download the OBS Studio in your Windows 11 machine. So let's start. So first go to the Google and type OBS Studio. Okay, and click OBS Studio download. You will get the download link. So click on the download link and this page will open. So you have to click the download via installer and wait for some time. It will download the installer automatically. You can see here download is already started, so you have to wait for some second. Once the download is completed, we will open the exe file and I will show you how you can proceed through the installation process. So let's wait till the download is completed. So friends, you can see that OBS Studio installer is the download is completed. So once the download is completed, you have to first click on the installer and it will start the installation process. So wait for some time and it will ask you the confirmation. Press yes and you can see the installation wizard is opened. You have to click here next. Click again next and click on the install button. So here you can specify the installation folder, so leave it as a default and click on the install button. So you can see that installation is started. So friends, you can see that installation is completed and you can see that launch OBS Studio. So click on finish and now it will open the OBS Studio automatically, and from there you can record your screen and share your screen recording to your friends, to your YouTube channel. You can also able to upload to the YouTube channel also. And this is a very helpful software for YouTuber to record the screen and upload the screen recording to the YouTube channel. So friends, hope this video will help you to download and install the OBS Studio. So if you can see in the desktop also, OBS Studio is installed successfully. When I double click, it will ask you to launch and the OBS Studio will be launched. So friends, when you click the OBS Studio icon in the desktop, it will ask you one option, means optimize for streaming and recording for is secondary. So you have to specify your need. So if you want to only recording, so click on the optimize just for recording and I will not be streaming. So if you want to stream, you can click the first checkbox also. So I am choosing my second checkbox because it is mainly I will use for recording. So click on the next button and you can specify the resolution also. So I leave it as a default and next and apply the setting. So now you can see I can start the recording from the here. You can see start recording, start streaming. So this is the option I have got to start recording my screen, friends. So now I will start recording my screen and I will upload this in my YouTube channel. So this is very helpful software for me. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel and get the new helpful video. Thank you, friends.